Welcome to Staying Relevant Tomorrow, a podcast about how you as a leader can stay relevant in this rapidly changing world. Each week, we deliver key insights and ideas that will help you embrace change and stay ahead of the competition. I'm your host, Sonali Sinha. In today's episode, I want to talk about leading in a VUCA world. As a business leader in the 21st century, you face persistent changes in the environment that you operate in. The diversity of the change, the intensity of the change, and the rapidity of these changes create volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity, which can challenge us in a number of ways in terms of being effective as a leader. In fact, the change is so dramatic and uncertain, all the methods of the past seem inadequate to deal with such an environment. So what is VUCA? VUCA refers to this operating environment that is constantly changing in conflicting, dramatic and relentless ways to produce leadership and organizational challenges for us on a daily basis. Each letter of the acronym VUCA represents a typical change that we need to identify to cope with fully to deal with the environment that we operate in. Our world is volatile, which means things change and change quickly and for reasons beyond our control, and they cause instability. Our world is uncertain, which means we lack complete and confirmed information, and hence having the conviction to move in a particular direction can be challenging because we don't know what the future will be like or what the outcomes would be. Our world is complex, which means we never know the interaction of all the variables that we must take into consideration, let alone how they interact and integrate, and hence it makes our world very, very challenging. And finally, our world is ambiguous, which means the same data can lead to many different kinds of interpretations and sometimes very competing interpretations, and there is lack of precedence, making it very difficult to decide how to move ahead. Globalization and technology have and continue to fuel this VUCA environment because they have led to increase in innovation, interconnectivity, digital revolution, which in turn gives rise to new and nimble competitors who come up with dramatic new ways of meeting customer needs or creating customer needs, and make it very, very challenging for existing and established companies to compete with them. On top of that, we have situations like COVID-19, which has thrown every plan into the wind, because when we started this year, most companies had a plan for the year, and now they're just looking like pieces of paper because the operating environment has changed dramatically. Such turbulent changes in the operating environment can really baffle leaders because they are so new and so unprecedented that there is no given set approach to deal with it. And this is what we are talking of when we talk about a VUCA world. Later in this episode, I'm going to share my model of leadership development, which will help you be successful in a VUCA world. So stick on. Like what you hear so far? Make sure you never miss an episode by clicking the subscribe button now. This podcast is made possible by listeners like you. Thank you for your support. Now back to the show. The VUCA world obstructs a leader's ability to understand, to decide, to communicate, and ultimately to act decisively. And these are exactly the preconditions for success in the corporate world. And given that this environment is really challenging, different types of leaders tend to react differently. Some have become so distracted by the volatility and constant change that they have stopped planning and are just trying to react to events as they come at them. Others have become so intimidated by the uncertainty and ambiguity that they don't act from the fear of making a mistake. So they tend to become really indecisive. And still others try to do everything they possibly can in this complex environment and actually don't end up focusing their efforts in any one direction. And hence they get stuck in busy work and are not really able to move ahead. Only a few leaders have been able to fight through all the complexity and uncertainty and chart a way forward for their organization. They have managed to impose their will on such complex environments and succeeded where others have not been able to do so. In fact, in a study done by DDI in 2015, they had shown that only 18% of leaders are really capable of leading in a VUCA world. I haven't come across any update to this study in recent times, but I believe the percentage would have moved very marginally. If you ask me why, I don't think leadership development in the last few years have really focused on developing the specific traits and competencies in leaders to deal with this VUCA world. So what are the leadership traits or competencies that would prepare them to be successful in a VUCA world? What would help them to thrive when others flounder? Based on my interdisciplinary work in leadership development, social and cognitive psychology, coaching, and my own experience as a leader and as a coach, I have come up with a model of leadership development that can prepare leaders to handle this VUCA world in a more deliberate, self-assured, and successful manner. I call it the CARES model of leadership. CARES is an acronym for credible, adaptive, resolute, emotionally intelligent, and sense-making. Let's talk about each of these aspects as to why it is important for a leader in the VUCA world. First, credible. Why does a leader need to be credible to be effective in the VUCA world, or actually under any circumstance? As a leader, credibility lets your employees see you as a dependable source of reliable information and for fair and effective decision making. This information could relate to day-to-day activity or to occasions like the one that we are currently in, where it is very, very critical for people to be able to trust you to work with you. If you have credibility with your team, you will earn their respect and trust. And this will enable you to align them to the goals of the organization. Without credibility, there cannot be a culture of trust and shared goals. So the credibility of the leader, your credibility, is of prime importance, especially in a VUCA world where you need the team to trust you to lead them in the direction that you want them to go. Second, adaptive. To welcome change is to be adaptive. Adaptive actually describes people who are flexible. They don't lose their cool when plans change quickly, and they are always willing to learn new ways to do things. Being adaptive helps you cope with the volatile and uncertain environment and sail along in today's ever-changing world. Clearly, being flexible, agile, and adaptable is paramount in a VUCA world. Third, resolute. Developing and articulating a clear view of the future in today's increasingly complex environments demands that you make judgments about the future, something that entails risk and could go wrong, and there could be significant consequences. Many leaders, unfortunately, are afraid to make mistakes, and so they get stuck in the analysis paralysis mode. Successful leaders are those who can overcome those doubts that they have and act to prepare the organization for success in the future. I'm calling this trait resolute because it refers to somebody who is purposeful, determined, and unwavering. A resolute person has the courage to act with conviction in the face of uncertainty and risk, be able to manage their emotions, and be decisive even with limited information. So you see, this is a very, very critical skill or competency to have for a leader in a VUCA world. Fourth, emotionally intelligent. As we discussed earlier, dealing with uncertainty, volatility, and ambiguity can be emotionally challenging for any leader. Unless you are able to manage your emotions on this roller coaster, you might end up burning out really fast. Emotional intelligence is defined as the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of those around you. Emotionally intelligent leaders are aware of their own emotions and intuitively aware of the emotions of others. This self-awareness also helps them to manage their emotions when dealing with stressful situations. Their social intelligence enables them to lead with empathy and factor in emotions when presenting information or otherwise engaging with people. Leaders